Aloha guys, Scuba Chris here. I'll be showing you how to change out the TDC Drag Cam. Now, this is the drag cam of the Alijos. The Alijos is still being put through the test before it's officially released, but it looks pretty good so far. But it's a powerful, powerful reel, and sometimes it may not meet the expectations of anglers. A lot of anglers are targeting different species. Some of them you don't want that type of raw power because it may rip the hooks out of the mouth. It may be more delicate fish. That's why on the Makaira series, they have the Makaira TDC Cam. For the same reason, it will revamp the power of the reel so it can handle smaller species without being too rough on the smaller species. Now that's what this is for. Now, this TDC Drag Cam was designed to give a more gradual ramp over the aggressive, heavier original drag cam. Now, this is one of the issues that we had with the regular Makaira reel. It's a lot of power, but sometimes you don't need that power for targeting different species of fish. Might tear your baits off. The hooks might tear to the lip. You want to be maybe you want to go for more for the IGFA standards, so you have to be a little bit more picky on what you use. All right, now for the Makaira, remember this is the Alijos. Now for the Makaira, their TDC Drag Cam was meant for the 10-15 models, the 20-30 models, the 50-50Ws, and the 80Ws. All right. Now that was made to match more of these cams. These type of drag cams were made to match with more of the lighter fishing lines and tournament IGFA rules. So only now they came out with this right here for the Alijos. Alijos is still going through the ringer. We're still testing it out, but it looks really good so far. But this is what we have for the reel to make it complete. Okay, I cannot even see the screen of my iPhone, so I'm just going to go through it. Now, to change this out, this is the bag it came in. This is the plastic covering the cam so you don't get the scratches on it. I'm going to save all this because I'm going to put the original in here. So we're going to save that. Now what you want to do is this is right here. This is for your, see how it slides back and forth? So you want to put the free spool all the way back, two free spools to the beginning here. And that's simply enough. You think this is complicated? It's not. Okay, once the free spool is in this position, just take the cam here. Now this is a drag cam, same as this one, see? So if you turn that to the right, clockwise it tightens, counterclockwise untightens. So now we're gonna untighten. Now you don't wanna do this when you're in gear. You wanna do this when you're out of gear. Okay, that's the original. We're gonna put in the new one here. That's it. Now I'm gonna keep this one here. So I have a Ziploc bag I made specifically for that. It tells me it's the original. Keep it here because we're still in the testing phase. They want me to test this one out. So I'm going to be testing this out in areas where I know there's gonna be some smaller fare. The biggest thing I picked up with the original here was a Stingray, but the ramp was so powerful on the Stingray. Any other reel would have taken it off and would have. This one would just went click, 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 because Batman has a lot of power, but it didn't have enough power to take this out. So that's all you have to do. Very simple, right? Thank you. Just remember the process we went through here is what you're going to currently use for your Makaira TDC Drag Cam. But we're still in the experimental stage with Alijos, but that's what you would do with your Makaira. Thank you.